The Quill's Whisper. Once upon a time, in a cozy town called Stratford, lived a man named William. He loved words more than anything. He would listen to the rustle of the leaves and imagine they were whispering stories. William moved to the big city of London. The city was full of noise and people, but William found stories there too. He wrote them down as plays for everyone to see. Soon, his plays were on a big stage. People from all walks of life, from the baker to the queen, came to watch. They laughed at his funny stories and cried at his sad ones. William didn't just write plays, he also wrote beautiful poems. Some were short and sweet, like a little song. Others were long and told grand tales. His most famous plays were about star-crossed lovers named Romeo and Juliet and a brave king named Lear. He wrote about a sad prince named Hamlet and a powerful ruler named Julius Caesar. William was a great storyteller, but he often borrowed old tales. He would take a simple story and make it sparkle with his wonderful words. He wrote about love and loss, about brave heroes and silly clowns. His plays were like a big window, showing all the different parts of life. William's greatest magic was his use of words. He knew so many of them. It was as if he had a secret garden of words that he would pick from to create his beautiful sentences. The people in his plays felt so real. They had big feelings, just like us. They would get happy, angry, and sad. You might even know someone who is a little like a character from his plays. William left us a long time ago, but his stories are still here. They are like a whisper from the past, telling us about love, life, and everything in between. And people all over the world still listen to that whisper.